toe stops. So when you're skating, it's a really good idea to know where your toe stops are. Now this sounds really silly, I know, but it's a muscle memory thing. So a really good way to do this is to go up and down like this. So initially it's best to do one, then the other, but when you get used to it, you can do two together. So we're back here again at our lamppost friend. I really feel that the lamppost is becoming quite a major feature now. So if you've got any ideas for a name, let me know. If you want to hold on to do this until you get comfortable, that's absolutely fine. An important thing to note is if you change your wheels, you may need to just re-muscle memory where they are because of the size. Some skaters choose to take out their toe stops, and this is because some types of skating, like rhythm and jam, the toe stops actually get in the way. But if you're outside, I tend to recommend leaving them in just because if you get yourself into trouble, you can use your toe stops to help you. If you have one of the more popular brands of skates that starts with an M and rhymes with Roxy, then they have a nut that holds the toe stop on. So if you choose to wear a toe guard, which goes here under the toe stop, you need to make sure that you have plate, nut, then the toe guard, and then the stopper. Because if you put the nut against the fabric, it has a tendency to come undone. And one of the scariest feelings as a skater is if you go for a toe stop that isn't there. It's a real heart stop moment, so be really careful of that. At about this time, I normally say, let's try it moving. So we're not going to practice this one moving forwards, and I shall show you why. Because it doesn't end well. But you can do it backwards. So just the same as we did the drills, so we're going to do one foot first, and then we're going to do the other foot, and then we're going to do both feet. All of these drills just really help you get used to where your toe stops are, and it also helps you get more confident on your skates and more comfortable. Once you know where your toe stops are, you can start to have a little bit of fun with it. So up on two toe stops, and then you're just going to step and then bring your feet together and step and together. Now, the important part here is to know where they are, because if you accidentally step here, that's really dangerous. So you need to make sure you're stepping onto your toe stop, not onto your wheels, especially that sort of this angle, bad. So definitely onto your toe stops. So step together, and the better you get, you can do it like a little skip. I love this one, it's really fun. And you can do it the other way as well. As with anything, you'll probably find one way easier than the other. It's always the way. So another fun little step is a progressive forward hop. So I call it a bunny hop. So you put the leg in front and then you hop. So this has to be progressive, because we've already spoken about how you can't do that because it ends badly. So it's a progressive hop. So here he is again. It might be a good idea just to feel it static, that you're going to progress. So you're stepping forward and it's going up and you're progressing. That's really important. So you can also do this little hop backwards. This for backwards, please. So the foot again has to progress. So you're going to put it back and hop like that. So let's show you one more time. So you're going to put the foot in and lift up. So I'm landing staggered because I'm outside. If I was in a rink, I'd probably land with my feet together. So you can land however you feel the most comfortable. And as always, you can do it on both feet. So left foot in So that was toe stops. I hope you had lots of fun with this one. And remember, embrace the safe. I'll keep working on it. I'm Katie, you've been watching Skatey, and I'll see you next time. Bye. So that's totally fine, and you can replace them with a, this sounds really,